You have chosen to wait for more data to classify the creatures. That means you will be more likely to have accurate classifications. With more field data and the expertise of others in the exploration group, you will be able to ensure your data has very little errors in it. At first glance, this seems like the perfect option. However, there are some downsides that come with the decision to wait. One of those downsides is that this method will end up being very time-consuming when you don't have that much time. You're already on the planet and people will begin interacting with these organisms soon. Without a guide of some sort, accidents are bound to happen, some of which could have been easily avoided. Another thing is that many people will have different opinions on how to classify the organisms. The more people you include in the process, the longer it will take to come to a majority on the subject. This scenario fits in quite nicely with the discussion of the social construction of nature. The construction of nature states that the truth is the only something that the community as a whole agrees on. Once the other scientists agree on a certain classification, that makes it true. This works because of two facts. One is that the nature of things are not available to us without a way to interact with them. If scientists agree on something, it is because they have all had similar interactions with it. Second is that science is filled with disagreements. Before something can become accepted as fact, it is often debated many times. This concept can be difficult to believe because it implies that as long as the community as a whole agrees on it, anything can be true. And most people would like to believe that the scientific community will only agree on something if it is true. But if someone thinks of something as true, even if it's not, and convinces someone else it is true, then it can lead to a paradigm in which people agree on false information. If this idea were correct, then to make something true would only involve convincing a large majority that it is. Even if there's plenty of facts saying otherwise, the side that is more persuasive will be deemed correct.